Hey guys, in this video we'll talk about how we can create a link ad and what is the importance of link ad. So basically link ads are the ads that are going to bring you traffic to your website, and whereas the type 1 that was boost your post kind of ad, they were just to maintain the proper engagement on the page, and they can also bring the traffic to your website, but you'll have to provide the link in while boosting the post. But in the link ad you can create a link ad without posting anything on the Facebook page. So that is a good thing about link ads. Plus the best thing about the link ads is you can always hide your ads from your competitors. So once you are posting a normal image on your Facebook fan page, your competitors can easily come and spy on your Facebook posts. Whereas in the case of link ad, you can create an ad image, and you can run a link ad, but the people who are coming to visit your page, they will never get to see the link ad post on the news feed of your page. So that is the best thing about link ad. Now let's just get started with the link ad. First you'll have to go to the ads manager, and there you can get started with the whole process of creating a new campaign for the link ad. So let's just jump on the Facebook. Okay, so suppose you are on ads manager, you can just directly click on the ads manager over here, and you can go to the this page where you'll be shown the campaigns, the ad sets, and the ads. So these are like 3 steps of creating any ad. So the first part is the campaign. All the campaigns are displayed over here, and in the second step, that is the ad set, it shows the targeting part. So ad sets covers everything like the budget, the duration of ad, the audience that you are targeting for the ad, the location, the interest you are targeting. So all those things are covered in the ad set. And the third part is the third stage of these Facebook ad campaigns is the ads. In the ads, what is covered is like the image that you are using to create an ad, and the second part is the link that you are going to use to bring the traffic to your site. So these are the 3 stages of creating an ad. So we just need to create a new campaign. So we'll just go to the create part of the campaign. Now since we need the traffic on our website, since we have a AdSense site, so we need more and more visitors on our website. So we'll select the traffic kind. If you want to generate leads, then we can go ahead with the lead generation campaigns. If you want to have a few other things like engagement on your Facebook post, then you can go ahead with the engagement part. Remember, this engagement and the engagement ad that we ran by boosting the post on the Facebook fan page, both are same. You can also run the ads from here without posting anything on your fan page. So that is how it works. So right now we need more visitors on our site, so we'll just go ahead with the traffic part. We'll select the traffic, then we'll go to the campaign name. We can name your campaign like Techie link ad number 1, and we'll continue. Now this page is the ad set part. See, create a new ad set. So here we are going to create everything about our ad set. We can just name it like ad set for Techie, and now we can go ahead with the selection part. Like, since we want the traffic on our website, we can select website. If you want to send the traffic to your app or messenger, you can select either of these 2 options. Right now we'll select the website because we are tracking the traffic to our website, right? So that is first thing. Now second thing is selecting the audience. So you can select your audience from here. All you have to do, either if you have a saved audience, you can select the audience from here. If you don't have a saved audience, you can create an audience from here, like just by selecting few factors like India, that is the location, then the age. You can select age from here, and the gender, the languages. Then in the detailed targeting, you can select few demographics like the interests that you want to target for these people. Like previously we said that since it's a gadget site, we are targeting people with smartphones interest. So I can select this one. Since I don't want it, I can select this one, and it's selected. Like 544 million people are there in this niche. Then you can have few more options. Right now exclude these options, and these are for advanced optimization part. Leave these options, and you can just save the audience from here by clicking this button. So I have already saved an audience, and I'll just select this saved audience. Like I have selected people from 16 to 40 years of age and living in India, and the people who have an interest in smartphones, right? So I've already selected the people. So I'll select this audience. If you haven't selected it, you can create an audience from here. And now we'll go to the placement part. This is very important part since Facebook is going to display your ads more than 4 locations. So first one is like news feed, then your mobile news feed, then right column, and then few more options have come across in last 1 year. So instead of going with the automatic placement, I would suggest that you should go with the edit placement. If you don't want to edit it, you can just directly go with the recommended one, but I highly recommend to go with the edit placements, where you'll get to select the different options where you want your ad to be displayed. So the first one is the feeds. That is the basic Facebook feeds, where your ad will be coming while the Facebook user is scrolling up and down. So this is one thing that we want. Then do we want your ad to be displayed on instant articles? No, we don't. Okay, so basically the instant articles are something like, when you find a link on some Facebook fan page and you click it and some website opens, and then your ad will be displayed on those pages. So I'm sure that for AdSense purpose we don't want this kind of traffic. So we'll just close this. Then right column, we don't want that. Then do we want Instagram traffic? No. Like we don't want our ad to be displayed on Instagram, right? Okay, then audience network, like in-stream videos and rewarded videos, do we want that? Seriously, we don't want that. Especially when it comes to for AdSense purpose, we don't want that. And we even don't want the messenger part. Only thing that we want is the feeds, Facebook feeds. Okay, so just select the Facebook feeds, and then just go ahead with other selections like do you want this thing to be on all mobile devices? Yes, I do, because 90% and above people are right now using mobiles. So I want all mobile devices. But now here comes a small tricky part, whether you want them to access your content when they are on Wi-Fi or the desired mobile network. I want the Facebook to display my ads only when they are connected to a Wi-Fi network. Why do I want this? Because usually what happens, suppose my site is loading slowly, and if they have a weak network, my site won't load properly on mobile device, and what will happen, they will exit my site after some time. So I don't want that. I want my visitor to come on my site. I want them to explore my site. So basically I'll want them to have a proper network connection, so I'll prefer them to have a Wi-Fi connection. Okay, so we'll go with this thing. And then comes the important part, the budget. So basically if you are like running a link ad, I would suggest just go with the $5 budget. That is more than sufficient to get started with. So right now I'll suggest you to go with the $5 budget. We can just check out the INR rating of this thing. So right now the $5 is equals to 323.55. Okay, so I'm running the $5 budget on a daily basis. I'll just start my ad. All I have to do is now click the continue button. So once I click the continue button, my ad set will be completed. Okay, I'll be taken to the ad part, and here I have to create my ad. So what I'll have to do, I'll have to first select I can name my ad if I want, but that is not necessary. So first I'll select my Facebook fan page, which was this one, Techie Material. And now I can go ahead with selection of the image. So I can select single image. All I have to upload the image here, and then I can get to, and I need a website URL on which the page on which I want to send the traffic. So now I'll go to my Techie site. This is our Techie site, and we can select any post from here. YouTube, WhatsApp. Let's select this one. Okay, now we have a post like WhatsApp is testing easy voice to video call switch and lock screen voice recording feature and all. So this is an interesting post. I'm sure that everyone is aware of WhatsApp, and now it is providing few things like it is coming up with few updates. So WhatsApp is worldwide famous, and I can easily give an example of this particular post. So right now I can just go through the post, and it says like WhatsApp released its new feature that you can delete your message in 7 minutes after sending it. If you have no intention of sending some message and it went, then you can just delete it for the recipient. Okay, so what we can just highlight this thing and we can create an ad around this thing. So I'll just use this link in URL, and I will just go to the page. I'll put it over here, website URL, because I want my traffic to go on this page. Now coming to the important part where I have to upload the image, I have to create an image. So I have already created a small image by searching WhatsApp and thing. So I'll show you my image. So this is my image that I have created for this particular post. So I'll use this image to run the ad. Just save it. Okay, WhatsApp. And now we'll upload the image. So here are we, and I'll just upload the image from here. WhatsApp. See, I provided a small headline to it, like now delete the unintended WhatsApp messages for your recipients, right? Sounds very interesting. So I have an image over here, and now I can adjust the image like this. So I'll have to adjust with this size actually, because this is the standard Facebook ad size. So I'll have to adjust the image of the paint. So let's just go here and adjust the image size. Now I have saved it. I can upload it again. Remove it. Upload it. We can fix it. See, now everything is inside the box. Now if I want, I can put some content over here. I can directly write this thing. Or I can provide all the details I want my users to read. So whatever I'm going to put over here, it will be displayed over here. So right now I'm getting the preview of mobile newsfeed. If I want, I can check the desktop newsfeed preview. See, this is how it will look on desktop. But our prime target is mobile devices, so this is how it will be looking over here. I can post this thing. I can provide this same text over here as well. If I want, I can provide some more text over here. So this is the heading, like WhatsApp's new feature, right? And I can provide some text, and I can provide a proper button over here, call to action button, like book now, contact us, download, listen, send message, and everything. So right now learn more seems more related to it. We can just go ahead with this thing. See, it looks very neat post that I have provided all the information that was required, and I'm sure a lot of people are aware of WhatsApp, and if they find it very interesting, they will click on this button and they will be taken directly to my site on this page, right? So we can just post it for approval, submit it for approval by clicking on the confirm button. Before that, I can review it if I want. Let's review it. So this is the name of my campaign. This is the name of my ad set. This is my ad set. This is the image. I provided all the details, and I have provided my website URL. All I have to do is now confirm it, and it will be submitted. See, now it says your items have been confirmed, and if I want I can duplicate the ad, but right now it has already been submitted for approval and it's in review. Once it gets approved, I'll get a notification over here. So that is the simplest way of creating an a link ad. I can check out the same ad by going into the campaigns by clicking the ads manager. See Techie link ad 1. So my ad is already here and right now it is showing in pending review. Once it gets approved, it will start running over here and I'll get to see the different parameters. I'll get to understand all these parameters in the next video, but as of now you have the full understanding of how you can create a boost ad and how you can create a link ad. So go ahead, create your first ad and bring traffic to your site and get started with generating revenue through AdSense. This is pretty much it. In the next 2 videos we'll talk about how you can monitor your ads and how you can optimize your ads. So far all the best and we'll see you in next video.